Our 1971 Super Beater restoration made its first appearance in our channel update on September 11th, 2017. It wasn't running and barely rolled. Now, 4 years later, it's a running, driving car. And since we are in Oceanside, California, we'll take advantage of some beautiful weather and enjoy a drive along the coast. We're heading a few miles down the coast so Hot VWs can shoot some pictures of the car for an upcoming feature in their magazine. And we brought our own cameras along so we can film our feature for y'all. The first how-to video we filmed for this series was the engine removal, as when I bought the car, the engine wouldn't turn over. We pulled apart the engine, found that it dropped an exhaust valve, and proceeded to completely rebuild the engine as a major part of this series. The engine now has a counterweighted 74mm crank and thick wall 88mm pistons, which bump the displacement up from 1585 cc's to 1800 cc's. All of the original engine tin is color matched to the body. The carburetors are 38 E-gas 2-barrel from MP, and a Pertronix Igniter 3 SVDA distributor and coil provide spark to the fuel. A modern-style serpentine belt system turns the alternator and the original cooling fan. A ceramic-coated 2-tip GT muffler and racing heater boxes take care of the exhaust. And all of the engine assembly was covered early in our series over multiple videos. The 205/40 R17 Otsu tires are mounted on anthracite gray powder-coated 5x130 17x7 BBS Sport Classic wheels from a Porsche 986. The wheels are mounted to 4x130 cross-drilled and slotted disc brakes with custom hub-centric wheel adapters. The gray wheels look great with a lowered suspension, the Laguna Seca blue paint, and the satin black NewTek running boards. Opening the passenger door, we can get a better view of the two-tone saddle leatherette and whiskey Unisuede interior. The tan provides a good contrast from the blue and isn't the run-of-the-mill black or gray interior that you'd normally expect. The custom TMI Pro Series seats are super supportive and comfortable, and the rear upholstery was made to match. The rear speaker deck holds 2 kicker speakers and hides a 12-inch kicker subwoofer underneath. The Unisuede headliner is installed over foam padding and Hush Mat sound deadener, which is also installed below the black loop carpet and in the doors and the quarter panels. Like the rear, the front of the car has cross-drilled and slotted disc brakes. The suspension is lowered with color-matched adjustable struts and springs. A genuine and now rare Kamai air dam is mounted below the front color-matched turn signal bumper, eliminating the need for turn signals on top of the fender. All the trim items, such as the headlight rings and handles, are color-matched, and along with the custom mirrors on the doors, give the car a much more modern look. Inside the trunk at the front, we went for a somewhat stock appearance, although we do have some upgrades with the strut tower brace, gas hood struts, and an electric-powered windshield washer bottle reservoir. The fresh air box has a working 2-speed fan motor, and the trunk liner hides a modern ATC fuse box and all the defroster, fresh air, and heater hoses. The shaved antenna and body molding help to clean up the lines of the car. And taking a look inside the driver's side, a Volante black Ashwood steering wheel stands off of an original style padded dash, a full set of VDO gauges, LED warning lights and indicators, and a USA 740 custom auto sound Bluetooth radio. Front speaker kick panels house more kicker speakers, and the MP Billet Plus shifter connects to the 4-speed Pro Street Flyer transmission. We filmed over 90 how-to videos that covered almost every aspect of our restoration. Some of the things we covered, you watched me do for the first time. I'm not a trained mechanic, sheet metal fabricator, welder, body repairman, or upholsterer. Just the same, short of rebuilding the transmission and spraying the paint on the body, I've rebuilt and restored this entire car myself. I've learned by reading everything from VW magazines and manuals as a kid before the internet, watching YouTube videos later on in life, and simply doing. I've messed up and broken more parts along the way than I can count. Just the same, it hasn't stopped me from learning and doing the thing that I love, working on and restoring cars. Now that the series is complete, this car is going up for sale, and we're going to be taking a break for a while we work on some new and exciting things. How did you like our car? What are some favorite parts of our restoration? And what would you like to see us next? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.